Welcome to this new Friday drop, and today we have a very big announcements because this week we work on a lot of features, both for the client mode and for the agency mode. And let's start from the client mode. So the biggest announcement is this new home section for your clients, where basically they can analyze their reviews on the integrated platforms. They can see their goals with some kind of gamification features that we'll see in a minute, and also they have this AI power sentiment analysis based on the text of their reviews and private feedbacks. So basically, when your clients access to the platform, they will immediately land on this page, so on the home page, which of course is activated for all your clients. The first thing that they see is their next goal. So how is this next goal calculated? Basically, the if the average rating, which is the rating, the average rating considering the integrated platforms, like for example Google and Yelp, we have a 4.7 on Google and 4.2 on Yelp. So the average rating is a 4.5. So of course the next goal is to reach the next level, which is 4.6. So a zero point 0.1 more. And we basically calculate how many 5-star reviews they need to get to this next goal. So this is the first thing that they see. So they have something in mind that keep them activated and keep them using the platform, because with this next goal they want to reach this 4.6 rating, and they know that they need 884 more 5-star reviews to reach this goal. And of course here they have the call to action to send a quick request or send a campaign or to open the kiosk mode, which are the actions that they need to do to of course reach this goal. And then we have the three most important data for your client. So the total number of reviews, considering all the integrated platforms, the average rating, and the number of private feedbacks. And they can see also the performance in the current month. For example, now is November. They can see here how many reviews they received specifically in November. So this is the total number of reviews. So since they started their business, so it's just the sum of the number of reviews on every platform. And here they see the number of reviews they got in November, so they can see the performance in the current month. So they see that they are getting results in this current month, so they keep paying you. The same thing for the average rating. They can see if in this current month the average rating increased or decreased, and the same thing for the private feedback. And they can see also the performance in the specific integrated review platforms. For example, in this case, we have integrated Google and Yelp. So we see the number of reviews on Google and how many reviews we got in November, the rating on Google, the reviews on Yelp, and the rating on Yelp. And we can see also the goals also for the specific review site. For example, in Google, we have a 4.7, and we need 452 5-star reviews to reach 4.8. So this is a kind of dashboard for your clients where they can analyze their current metrics and see how many more reviews they need to get to the next goal. And then we have this beautiful AI power sentiment analysis, which is divided into 4 sections. So firstly, we have a summary, and basically we analyze the text of the most recent 200 reviews they received, and we generate this summary. Then we generate this list of things that are going well and the areas to improve, so they can immediately see what is going good in their business and what is going bad, with titles and descriptions. And then we have the action plans. So some things that they need to do to improve their products or services based on the text of the reviews. So this AI power sentiment analysis is automatically updated every month for your clients. So on the first day of each month, this analysis is automatically updated, and it's also updated when they connect a new review site, or when they disconnect a new review site. We relaunch the prompt and we regenerate this sentiment analysis. So this is super useful for your clients, because as soon as they log into the platform, they see what is going bad in the business or what they need to improve, and they have a detailed action plan here. So this is the first big thing that we release this week for all your clients. So the home section. Then let's go on because we have a lot of other things to talk about. Firstly, let's talk about the AI agents, because we have new features for the AI agents. So if we go to our AI agent called Zeus AI, of course you can personalize, as you know, the name of your AI agent. We see that we have some new things. Firstly, both for the auto reply AI agent and the auto share, we have much more AI tones. So we had just formal and informal. Now we have professional, friendly, empathetic, enthusiastic, neutral, proactive, grateful, promotional, reassuring, informative. So your clients can choose between all these tones, both for the reply and the auto share. Then it's not finished, because we have also both for the auto reply and the auto share, the rating threshold. So basically, we can set that, for example, the AI agent goes to reply to reviews just with a rating of 3 star or higher, right? Or we can choose that the AI agents reply to all the reviews we received, or just to the 5 star reviews, all right? And the same thing for the AI auto share. We can set that the AI agent share on our social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Google, just the 5 star reviews, all right? So also this is super powerful for your clients. Then let's go to the review link, because we have new features also in the review link. Firstly, also in the review link, we have the rating threshold. So basically, if we use stars and hearts, we can customize this thing. So basically, we can choose that, for example, in this case, just who click on 5 stars is redirected to leave a public review on the integrated platform, while all the others, so who click on 1, 2, 3, or 4, is redirected to leave a private feedback, right? So we can customize this rating threshold for stars and hearts. Another new thing this week is the text editor for the kiosk mode. So also the text of the kiosk mode can be edited, right, from here. So your clients choose just title and subtitles, so everything is editable. And also the thank you page is editable. So this is the page where the end customers of your clients land when they share a private feedback. And so your clients can customize titles and subtitles. All right. Then the last thing for the clients mode is that from this week, notifications, so email notifications, are sent on the user language. All right. So if your clients from the account section choose switch, for example, from English to Espanol, all right, and save, from that moment, all the email notifications sent for daily reviews, data, new private feedbacks, AI auto reply notification, AI auto share, they are sent now in Spanish if the user select Spanish as the platform language. So before this week, everything was in English. Now it's on the user language. Then let's switch now to the agency mode, because also we have a lot of new features for the agency mode. The first thing that was highly requested is the possibility, when you create pricing plans, to disable your branding on review links and widgets. All right. So you just need to activate this button and save the plan. And if this is activated, your clients can disable your branding from review links and the widgets. For example, in this plan here, we have this feature enabled. In fact, if we go to widgets, we see that the branding is disabled. So your clients have this new feature here, where the branding can be disabled, right? And the same thing for the review links. If we go to here to other, we have disabled branding. So your clients can have your brand, or they can disable it. Same thing for widgets. So they can disable it or enable it. So it's up to your clients, of course. Another thing for the clients mode that I forgot before is also the possibility on review widgets to set the threshold. So we can choose to show all the reviews on the widgets from 1 star to 5 star, or for example, just the 5 star reviews, right? So for example, if we select this, we see that in the widgets, we have just the 5 star reviews. So also this is a new big thing that came out this week. Another feature that we release for the agency mode, and also this is a big one, are templates. So basically, if you go to settings, templates, you can now customize the text of the welcome email and of the password reset email. So of course, you'll find a default email where you have your brand name as a sender, this subject, welcome to your brand name, and then the text of the email. You just need to click on edit. You can customize everything. Of course, you have the variables like the brand name and in the body of the email, the login link, but everything is now editable. So for example, if you sell the platform just to Spanish local businesses, you can customize the text of the welcome email and have it in Spanish. So everything is it's up to you. Same thing for the password reset email. And you have also this button to test the email on your inbox to see if everything is working. Probably next week, we'll have also two new templates that you can customize. The first one will be the email that is sent 3 days before the trial end. So if you onboard the clients with the Stripe free trials, 3 days before the trial end, you're going to send to your clients an email, and you can customize the text of the email from here, saying, "Hey, your trial is coming to an end. If you have question, chat with us. If you want to upgrade, just go to the billing portal and add a payment method." So you can customize the text for that email and also for the email that is sent when the trial is ended and your customer didn't upgrade. So you'll be able to customize also these two emails soon. And then another thing that we released this week are new APIs. So in the API doc, you'll see the APIs for templates. So the possibility to for your clients to create templates via API. A create template, of course, get the single template or list all the templates. So your clients can create, for example, SMS, email, or WhatsApp templates directly via API. And also, this is a big thing, APIs for campaigns. So your clients can send via APIs, review campaigns via SMS, email, and WhatsApp. Of course, soon we'll do also more tutorial videos on how to use these APIs. Right now, they are just released in the documentation. So if you know how to use APIs, you can start using them and start automating template creation and campaigns. If you do not know how to use APIs, we'll soon do some tutorial videos on how to use them. And there is also a new API coming related to the get clients, where basically you'll be able to filter this endpoint per plan or status. So you can get, for example, just the active clients on the bronze plan. And so you just use the filter for status and plans and use endpoints to, for example, just get the clients with active status on a specific plan. So that's all for the APIs updates. Finally, there is also a new big update regarding the prospecting tool. So now when you go to prospecting and you go to setup and the branding, you see that now you have much more customizations for your reports. So now you can add your agency logo, which will be visible in the report. And also you can customize the color of the call to action in the report. And also you can choose a custom font for the report. And you can also choose the language for the report, the language for the cold emails, and the language for the sales script. We also changed a little bit the design of the report. Let me show you an example. All right, you can see this is the new design, much more simple to read and to understand. Your logo will appear here. Let me check if I have another report with the logo. Probably this one. Exactly. So basically your logo will appear here on the top right, and your brand color will appear here as the color of this box where there is your your call to action. We also changed it a little bit, the prompt to generate this report. So right now, this impact assessment is much more clear for your clients. For example, here for this specific business, which is a restaurant with 4.5 stars on Google, we say that they could attract 15% more customer, just improving their rating from 4.5 to 4.7, just because studies show that 70% of customers prefer businesses with rating of 4.7 or higher in the restaurant sector. So this is much more powerful. And also now recommendations are much more powerful. So basically here we push more the fact that they can resolve these problems and reach this goal with your platform. For example, this recommendation: implement a review management platform to streamline the collection and response process for reviews across different platforms. So I strongly invite you to test this new report generation. And they are much more good looking than the previous reports. There is your logo, your colors, and also you can choose your font. We had some feedbacks related to the fact that in some cases the report generation was failing. We understood that it was failing before for some OpenAI keys. There was a limited rate. So we added this new drop-down menu where basically when you add your OpenAI key, you can choose the model. And so if you meet some errors on the report generation, just try to change the model from here, and it should work. And all right, so that's all for all the new feature that we released this week. We'll also post another video in the support section about how to create a video tutorial for your website, and also a knowledge base for your website. So a knowledge base that you can give to your clients so they immediately understand how the platform works. And we'll also release a new tutorial video on how to connect Stripe, because we got some feedbacks from you that you were not able to correctly integrate the Stripe to Climbo. So we'll soon release, within today, we'll release a new video on the support section. So that's all for today. So very, very big update this week. Of course, the biggest one is this new home section for your clients, because here they will see the performance of the platform every month. They see that the reviews the number of reviews is growing totally and on a specific platform, so they get the ROI and they keep paying you. There is gamification, so they understand that they need to go to this next goal and what they need to reach this next goal. And of course, there is sentiment analysis, which is super powerful. This is updated every month. So every month they have a new sentiment analysis based on the last reviews they received. So super, super powerful for your clients. And of course, all these things works on the mobile version. That's all for this week. So very, very big week. And we'll see each other next week. So next Friday with the new updates.